So, when I draw pictures in Google Draw or Google Slides, the first thing I like to do is use the Shape tool. The Shape tool is very easy because when you click on it, you get a menu with a bunch of different shapes. And it's pretty fun to look through these and try to find shapes that match what you're trying to do. So once I clicked on the circle shape, I can click and drag to make my shape. When I let go, my tool now becomes this little crossbar, and I can drag and move my shape to different places, or I can click on the little squares on the side and I can resize my shape. These are anchor points. So I can click in the corner to move it wider and taller, or if I click just on the side, it smooshes it from side to side, or if I click on the bottom of the top, it smooshes it vertically. So you can draw lots of shapes and lots of designs just using the shapes from the Shape tool.